Thank you for choosing Ironside Computers. You're currently watching the video demonstration for order number 816585. We're going to be shipping this computer shortly, but before we do, we're going to be showing you the internals of your computer and that each part is new and undamaged. And we're going to be running a quick stress test to show your computer is fully operational. If you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com. Taking a look at the outside of your computer, for your case you selected the Cooler Master Storm Stryker. Now we're going to boot the computer up and then take a better look inside to show you the parts that you ordered. Now that your computer's booted up, let's take a better look inside. Taking a look inside your computer, first thing you'll notice is your Iron Tundra liquid cooling unit with UV green tubing that is cooling an Intel Core i7 5930K processor. Beside that, you have 16 gigabytes of 2133 MHz DDR4 RAM being cooled by a Black Kingston HyperX memory cooler. For your graphics card, you selected the Nvidia Geforce GTX 980, and for your sound card, you selected the ASUS Sonar Essence STX 7.1. All your components have been installed on an ASUS X99 Deluxe motherboard. For lighting in the system, you selected an NZXT hue color-changing LED strip, and for wire management, you selected individually sleeved green cables. Powering your system is the Corsair RM750 power supply, and for storage, you selected a Samsung 840 EVO 250GB SSD, along with a secondary Western Digital 2TB Caviar black hard drive. Taking a look at the front of your computer, starting from the top, you have your power button and reset button, your fan LED switch, your built-in fan controller. This has been disabled because you do have your AeroCool F6 XT fan controller below, your headphone and mic jack, two USB 3.0 ports, two USB 2.0 ports, your all-in-one media card reader, your Blu-ray writer, the control panel for your NZXT hue color changing system, again your AeroCool F6 XT fan controller, and the reservoir for your liquid cooling unit. Taking a look at the back of your computer, starting from the top, you have your USB BIOS flashback button, 10 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, 2 Ethernet ports, the antenna for your wireless, which can be adjusted to get the best signal. Below that, we have the ports for your graphics card. You have 1 HDMI, 3 display, and a DVI. And at the very bottom, the ports for your Sonar Essence STX sound card. Taking a look at the desktop, now we're going to be showing you the parts of the computer you couldn't see. In File Explorer, your 250GB SSD along with your 2TB secondary hard drive. In System Properties, your Intel Core i7 5930K processor with 16GB of RAM, Windows 8.1 Pro as your operating system. And finally, in Device Manager, your Nvidia Geforce GTX 980 graphics card, and your ASUS Sonar Essence STX 7.1 sound card. Now we're going to begin the stress test. This test is called Unigine Valley. It's designed to heavily stress the graphics card as well as the processor. We typically let this test run for up to 8 hours, but for this video we're going to be letting it run for about 2 to 3 minutes to show your computer is fully operational. As you can see, your computer is fully operational and all the components in your computer are working properly. Now we're going to be shutting down the system. And that will conclude this video. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us at customer service@ironsidecomputers.com.